Hey, what's up you guys? It's Elise from thecrunchyginger.com and today I'm going to show you my recipe for an easy, non-toxic, natural, stinky spray. I use this as a bathroom spray, an all-purpose room spray, and a DIY Poo Pourri. It only requires 3 ingredients and you may already have them in your home. So let's talk for just a second about what is in room sprays or air fresheners at the store. They contain something called fragrance. What is fragrance? Yeah, exactly. What is fragrance? So fragrance is generally some combination of about 4,000 chemicals, and a third of them are toxic. There are carcinogens, there are endocrine disruptors, there are artificial musks, which show up in things like breast milk, there are phthalates, which harm the male reproductive system, just like a whole slew of allergens and asthma triggers and like general nasty stuff that you don't want anywhere near your home. These kind of things are found in cosmetics, in cleaners, and of course in room sprays. But fear not. There's no reason that we have to suffer in our own stench. We can absolutely make something that is easy, that is inexpensive, and that works great. Let's get started. You're gonna need a container, a spray bottle to put it in. I'm gonna use a glass container because essential oils tend to degrade plastics over time. So any recipe that has essential oils in it, glass is gonna be your best bet. But if you don't have that, go ahead and use an empty spray bottle that you have. Just get started with this. Get rid of those nasty fragrances in your home. The first thing that we're going to add is 1 part witch hazel. You can also use rubbing alcohol or vodka if you don't have witch hazel. I'm going to fill it about 1/3 of the way full here. I'm not going to measure it, but just know this is going to be about 2 to 3 tablespoons if you're wanting to put an exact measurement on this. There we go. And now I'm going to add my essential oils next, and you're going to want to use about 30 drops for a container this size. We're looking for a 1 to 2% dilution for the essential oils. How many you add, is really up to you, but 30 or 40 drops for a bottle this size is going to be about right. I'm going to use lavender and lemon because they're just great all-purpose oils, and I like the way that they smell. So I'm going to do 15 of each. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm going to do 15 drops of my lemon essential oil. And like I said, you can use any ones that you like, whatever smells good to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. This one's coming out fast. All right. And then we'll fill the rest of the bottle with our distilled water or our water that has been boiled for 5 minutes and cooled. That's it. So in order to use this as a DIY Poo Pourri, and if you've never heard of Poo Pourri, it's this spray that you spray on top of the toilet water, and it kind of creates like an oily barrier so that when you drop the kids off at the pool, it kind of seals in the stank underneath the water, and it actually works remarkably well. So this will work the same way. We're just going to give it a little shake, and the oils in this water will kind of sit on top of the toilet water. So you just spray it in like 4 or 5 times before you go. Or if you just want to spray it in the air, it works great too. Smells fresh. I often use this on clothes too, like if they've got that like closet smell, or maybe I'm wearing my sweatshirt for the 3rd or 4th day in a row and you just need a little bit of refreshing. There you go. Your DIY all natural Poo Pourri or stanky stuff room spray. You guys, this is going to change your home. I promise you will never buy Febreze or any of those other air fresheners again. Please let me know in the comments below how this worked for you, and let me know your favorite fragrance combinations. I kind of get stuck in a rut of doing just my favorite few, and I'd love to know what you're using that works great for you. If you want to know more tips and tricks about how you can live a little greener and save a little money, head on over to thecrunchyginger.com. Follow me on Instagram or on Facebook at thecrunchyginger. Please subscribe if you want to see more like this. Thank you so much for watching.